Well, we've had a lot of rain in Central Texas the past few days, and we're still getting rain today. It's sprinkling right now. But there's Mama's Phoenix. And, let's see, there's Lefty. I think that's Twinkie. Let's see who that is. Maybe Starburst. And behind me, it's Freckles, I think. Let's see. Is it Freckles? Or is that Starburst? Well, not sure. There's Phoenix, honey. It's been so wet. And our grass has grown a foot. And there's my little Lefty wanting another carrot, honey. Here. Come here. So 5 bunnies. Lefty, now you're missing fur on your little nose, honey. You got in a fight? You been squeezing under stuff? Scraping your little fur? This little spot, poor thing. Let's see. I see the fur growing in. Little by little. It's got a black spot, honey? I think that's Twinkie. Haven't fed him for 2.5 days. Well, almost 3 actually. So I saw them out here and they all came hopping over. For their carrot snacks. Here's Lefty. Hey, my little buddy. There was another one out here, but it hopped away, so that one is one that's scared of me. Doesn't really care for carrots. I don't see it. It was over that way. Well, I feel the rain. Sprinkling. I'll just get wet for a little bit. On July 5th, we had major flooding overnight. And, come here. Here's the 6th one. Who's this? Come. We had major flooding overnight. On the Guadalupe in Texas, in Kerrville and Hunt, Texas, Ingram, Texas. And there was a lot of young female campers at Camp Mystic and other camps along the Guadalupe. And because it happened in the middle of the night, it flooded many areas and woke people up, and a lot of people lost their lives. A lot of children, over 100 lives lost in these floods. So Texas is, we're grieving pretty hard. It's really sad, especially for anyone to lose their life that way, but especially for these little girls, like around age 8 to 13, 16 years old. Devastating. So we ask for your prayers and send healing energy, good vibes here in Texas. I live a little over 2 hours away from those areas. Here in Central Texas, outside of Austin. Some of the rivers flooded around here too, and there were a few lives lost. So it's just a sad situation. So, and I'm sure a lot of you have seen it on social media or your local or world news on television about these floods. One of the meteorologists said there's a tropical depression in Mexico and it fell apart, it collapsed, but as it rotated kind of northeast, it met with another low pressure system and it just dumped rain, and it kind of it was moving really slow, so it was almost stationary over central Texas for a while, and that's what caused so much rain, like 6 months of rain, to be dumped in a period of just like hours. Lake Travis outside of Austin, it's 40% more full than it was. It's like 67% or something like that full now. But yeah, it's just really sad. So many children and people lost their lives, you know. Hey, honey, that's my little Lefty, huh? Yeah. Hi, darling. I pet your little head. Let me pet your little head there. There, honey. Sweet little babe. So soft. So soft. I have 6 bunnies around me now. Twinkie. Lefty. Phoenix. Phoenix is missing a patch of fur too. Yeah. Oh, look at Lefty coming right over here. They're starving for these carrots. Darling. Oh, that's the little one that comes sometimes that's darker in color. I think that's who. Yeah, I think that's who it is. Little round eyes. And Lefty's got to be right here by me. Right here on the towel. My little stinkers. Hi, Phoenix. You want another one, honey? Why are you missing fur? Here. Here. Want to get your own? Here. Come on. Come here, honey. You're going to take someone else's, aren't you? Come here. Come here, Phoenix. Come here. Come here. Here. You don't want it? Look at Lefty's so big now. He's so big. He's a little baby. Little darling. Here. Hi, honey. Oh, we're sweet and soft, little babes. Look, there's a bunny over there. Who's that? They don't want carrots, I guess. Come here, baby. I had 3 full carrots and they've almost eaten all of them. But yeah, there's 6 bunnies out here, so. Lefty always has to be right by me. Hi, honey. I don't think any of these is Thumper. But Where's that one? Come here. Come here. You didn't see it? Yeah, honey. You got it? Come here. Come here. There you go. Look over here. But these little wild cottontails always bring me joy in times of sadness and darkness. They needed a break from grass. That's all they've had for almost 3 days. Let's see who this is. Hi, honey. Come here. You want this one? Come here. Come on. Well, now I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then there's an eighth one was over there. I don't see it now. Hi, honey. I might have to get one more carrot because you guys are hungry for your little carrots. Look, Lefty, don't know. I'll pet him. Come here. Come here. That's not a bird of prey. They've been eating a lot of this grass. It's growing fast and it's like really moist too, so they love it. They also love carrots. Come here, baby. Cuffle bellies. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. They're everywhere. I'm completely surrounded by bunnies. I love it. That's Twinkie. And that, I think, is Phoenix. Yeah, that's Phoenix. I don't have a name for that one, I don't think. Who did? That might be Starburst. Hi, honey. You're so cute. Look at your little mouth smacking. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, looks like I see little flowers or something over there. Or maybe just the water shining on the grass. Hi, darling. Phoenix, you gonna run him off? Don't steal this carrot, honey. You always steal everyone's carrots. Come here. Come here, Twinkie. It's Phoenix. That's Mama's Phoenix. They must be fighting lately. Got missing a big patch of fur on the same spot as Lefty. It's a little carrot, honey. That one's been eaten off of. She don't want it. It's not fresh. Awful bellies. who got full bellies? Phoenix always steals everyone's carrots. Hi, Lefty. You want another one? You take bites off of all of them, honey. He takes bites off of each one. I see his little fur coming in, though. The little dark skin is closing up. His fur's growing back. Oh, buddy. Your fur's growing back. I see it. You hear him making a noise? A little squeaking noise. It almost sounds like a sneeze. It might have been a sneeze, actually. And who's this? This has got to be, yes, it has to be Lefty. Always right by my leg. It's a long video. Hi, honey. You going, Phoenix, over there? You got full belly? Now she's munching grass. They eat plenty of grass. They love it. Hi, little babes. Well, Lefty's the only one on my towel. It always smells my knee. What's you doing, little buddy? What's you doing? You think I'm your mama? Oh, soft baby. Oh, so soft. You ate them all. You ate all the carrots, honey. There's one right there, though. You smell it? You don't want that one? Good little sweet baby. I'll see you later. Be safe. Be safe.